கண்ணன்தான் உலகில் சிறந்தவன் என்று ஊரே பேசுகிறது. ஊரின் உலகே அப்படித்தானே பேசுகிறது. அப்படியானால் நாங்கள் செய்யும் உடையில்லையா? எங்களின் கொடையொன்றும் கொடையில்லையா? அந்த கண்ணனின் கொடை மட்டும் கொடையாகுமா?
காரணம் சொல்கிறேன். அதற்கு முன்பாக ஒரு பரீட்சை வைத்துக் கொள்வோம்.
சூரிய அஸ்தமனத்துக்கு முன் இந்த தங்கமலையை மற்றவர்களுக்கு கொடையாக கொடுத்துவிட்டு என்னை சந்தியுங்கள்.
आपसे पूछा जाएगा and from Krishna yeah she is a senior please
Okay.
ठीक है पूछ
First of all of you most welcome in Kurukshetra, Dharamkshetra, Kurukshetra.
Loud.
I'm talking from Burj Khalifa YouTube.
Bullstock.
Sorry, Bullstock live channels. Some little bit question I am putting about your concept played on the stage today. Yes, just now. First of all, please give me your little bit introduction. What's your name?
Nivashni Satyaved.
Nivashni Satyaved. Dance teacher.
She is the choreographer.
Choreographer.
Shalini.
Shalini.
And the principal of the school.
Okay. What's your name? What's Diksha. What's your name? Playing?
I'm Takshita.
Tell your character and I'll tell your name.
I'm Takshita, I act like Krishna.
Yes.
I'm Sashni, I act like Arjuna.
Okay.
I'm Tishani, I'm a character of Hella.
So all of you, just little bit give me the in which class you are studying right now.
Great.
Grade 8, 9, 10 and plus 2.
Okay. So what's the concept of your theme concept of your today's performance?
Script and episode.
Gita Upadesh.
Gita Upadesh.
थोड़ा और कैसा लगा इंट्रोडक्शन
हाँ.
थोड़ा लाउड बोलना नहीं
Okay. What you feeling about your
International trip in
international Gita Jayanti? What are you something? Are you want to say something about Gita Jayantis?
Very good. Basement.
you are loud
Sir, what's your name?
I'm Shankar from Indian.
What are you dealing about your team?
No, I'm working for Indian Council for Cultural Relation in Sri Lanka.
Okay.
An Indian Cultural Center, Swami Vivekananda Cultural Center, Colombo.
Colombo. Okay. So what's the concept of your today's performance?
These are all children from Colombo School Ladies College.
Okay.
Five Mange Ladies College, Colombo. The students from grade 8, 9, 10, 11, and grade 1, grade 12, like that.
What is your future plan in about your?
No, they're all school children. No, we have given the opportunity to perform in India and Utsav like this. So it's very pleasure to be here, like in Utsav like this, and also in looking forward to the future as well.
So next year in you want to come here to perform in Gita Jayanti International?
We'll put in our high officials, and they will decide.
okay sir yours The first trip in India, this trip.
Yeah, I'm the first.
Oh wow, that's a brilliant, really brilliant. For a clap for all sir and principal ma'am and all teachers. Really, he's a dance teacher and really senior.